Hello friends, welcome to the CapCut video editing tutorial. Today we are exploring an incredible CapCut feature, blur effects. This tool can elevate your edits and make your videos truly stand out. Whether you are creating content for social media, YouTube or just for fun. Plus, I will show a handy trick to apply blur effects exclusively to the background while keeping the main content sharp and unchanged. First, import your video and add it to the timeline. Go to the Effects tab. In the search bar, type blur. Here you will find lots of blur effects. You can try any of them. I have chosen the third one. Drag one blur effect to your timeline, placing it over the video clip you want to enhance. Adjust the duration of the effects. You can also control blur level of the effect. Add the same video again to the top video track. Go to the Remove Background section and turn on the Auto Removal. Auto Removal is used to remove the background from the video. It only keeps human bodies. Wait till the process is complete. And that's it. You have just learned how to apply blur effects to a video background in CapCut. If you have found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and let me know in the comments what effect you would like to see next. Don't forget to subscribe for more editing tips and tricks. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.